Online video platforms and GameFi represent two dynamic and evolving facets of the digital entertainment landscape. Online video platforms have revolutionized the way we consume visual content, offering a vast array of videos from educational tutorials to entertaining cat videos. Meanwhile, GameFi, a relatively new concept, combines the excitement of gaming with the potential for financial rewards, transforming the way we engage with video games. In this exploration, we'll delve into the fascinating worlds of online video platforms and GameFi, uncovering their key features, trends, and the impact they have on our digital lives. Let's learn about one of them today. HIGHSTREET is like a super cool online world where you can play games, shop, and hang out with your friends. But it's not just any online world. It's a special place that uses some fancy technology to make it all happen. The basics. Think of HIGHSTREET as a mix between a video game and a virtual shopping mall. In this world, you can do lots of fun things, like going on adventures, buying cool stuff, and even meeting people. It's like a game, but also a place to shop. High tokens. HIGHSTREET has something called high tokens. These tokens are like special coins that you can use in the HIGHSTREET world. You need them to do things like play the game, buy stuff, and even have a say in how the HIGHSTREET world works. Different parts of HIGHSTREET. HIGHSTREET has different areas, just like a real city has neighborhoods. Let's look at some of these parts. HIGHSTREET Marketplace. This is like the shopping center of HIGHSTREET. You can buy and sell all sorts of things here, like cool virtual items and NFTs. That's a fancy word for special digital stuff. HIGHSTREET Homes. You can even buy your own virtual home in HIGHSTREET. It's like getting your very own apartment in this virtual city. HIGHSTREET Lands. The land in HIGHSTREET is divided into different zones, regions, and megaplexes. Brands from the real world can build cool things here, like shops, clubs, and fun experiences. Forever FOMO Duck Squad. These are like the mascots of HIGHSTREET. They're cute ducks that have special powers. If you own one of these ducks, you get special perks and access to cool stuff in the HIGHSTREET world. VR and PC. You can play HIGHSTREET on a computer or even with fancy VR goggles. VR makes it feel like you're really inside the game. Dual token model. HIGHSTREET has two types of tokens: high tokens and street tokens. High tokens are the important ones for using the HIGHSTREET world, like playing games and shopping. Street tokens, which aren't available yet, are for buying things in the game. They're used to make sure everyone has a fair chance to enjoy the game without things getting too expensive. Technology behind HIGHSTREET. Now, let's talk about the tech stuff that makes HIGHSTREET so cool. Virtual reality, VR. HIGHSTREET is all about VR. It's like wearing special glasses that make you feel like you're really in the game. The HIGHSTREET team is working with top VR companies to make the experience amazing. Ready Player Me avatars. These are like digital versions of you. They copy your movements and make you feel like you're really in the game. Unity Multiplayer Game Engine. This is like the engine that powers the game. It helps make sure everything works smoothly and lets lots of people play together. VR Analytics. HIGHSTREET uses fancy analytics to see what you're looking at in the game. It's like keeping track of what you're interested in to make the game even better. So, in simple terms, HIGHSTREET is an exciting online world where you can have adventures, shop, and hang out with friends. It has special tokens to do stuff in the game, and it's all powered by VR technology to make it feel like a real adventure. Plus, they have cute ducks. It's like playing your favorite video game, but it's also a shopping mall, all in one cool place. What are your thoughts about the HIGHSTREET High? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please tab the subscribe button.